Hello everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesign.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. All right, guys, we have some unfinished business to discuss. Remember her? We got her painted up. I didn't finish her, so she has a friend, the tape dispenser, for those of you who are new here. And the friend got some flowers. She is still naked. She needs flowers. She needs a lot of flowers. Yeah, I'm very much against my office looking boring. Like, I cannot stand the impersonal nature of an office where everything's black and gray and beige. Drives me crazy. I want to reupholster every freaking cubicle cell that's out there. Like, just get some colorful fabric and some T-pins and just hang colorful fabric on the wall. What could they do? Like, really, what could they do? Say take it down? But the whole rest of the desktop is also a moment of personalization. Like, it's an opportunity to show your sense of style. Do you have to have flowers? Absolutely not. But you can paint these things. This was black. This was black. It's dusty now. This was black. Obviously, I used a chalk paint. Obviously, I say that. Obviously, I used a chalk paint. That's stupid. That's not obvious to anybody. You can use a chalk paint on any of these products without any kind of primer. But if you don't have a chalk paint or the color that you want doesn't come in the color that's available through the chalk paint companies, get like a high-tech primer. And the one I use is called, where are you? Oh, I think I have the gallon though, so I can't pick that up. It's called, where are you? No, I do. It's right here. I do have the smaller one. I'm like, I can lift that. It's called Adhesion. So this is a high adhesive primer that will allow any paint to stick to glossy surfaces. So if this will work on like laminates, this will work on plastics. Use this and you can use any color paint you want. But we're done with the painting portion. But I'm giving that tip in case you didn't see the painting portion. Okay, so you can paint this with a chalk paint, which is what this is. It's an ultra matte chalk paint. Or you can get adhesion primer, which they sell most hardware stores, most big box hardware stores. Ace does have it. So if you only have like a local Ace hardware, I don't know about the Do It Best hardwares. So you just have to check. Otherwise, of course, Amazon has it. Amazon has all of it. But you can use the adhesion and then any color you want. So if you want chartreuse or you want puce and it's not a color that's available in like a standard chalk paint, because all the chalk paints are going to be like grays, pinks, and whites. And if that's not your aesthetic and you want something brighter, you want dandelion yellow, you go get yourself a dandelion yellow. Get the adhesion, prime it, then paint it. You'll be fine. I am going to find what I did with the rest of the scraps of the little rose scraps that I had. And we're going to finish our little stapler so that I have pretty office supplies with my aesthetic on it. So I have the same paper that we used on the other one. And this is that redesign paper. It's very thick. And y'all were yelling at me in the comments, it's a mulberry paper. I get it. It's a mulberry paper. All right. I'm sorry I'm not up on all the types of paper. But It's like a fabric. It's super thick. It's one of my favorite things to decoupage with because it doesn't bubble up. I love that. So now I got to figure out which pieces and parts I want to use on this stapler. And now I'm looking at it like, these might be too big for that. I don't know. I feel like I just want to cover the top and the sides. Maybe I'll wrap it like this. Like this. I think so. I think I'm going to cut around the design here. So with this mulberry paper, with this thick redesign paper, because it is like a fabric, cutting it isn't everything. You have to do a little more to this. So I don't want a straight edge on mine, right? I want it to look tattered and torn. It's my thing. I like things to look like they've been run through a few times, make it look vintage. I take my scissors and I make small slits along the edges. Don't go into your design. And then I tug and pull the pieces apart, because then that gives you a frayed edge as opposed to a straight edge. And I'm going to take my time here and go around the whole thing until it's what I want it to look like. So there you can, no you can't, better on my hat. There you can see the frayed edge or a straight cut edge. I don't want a straight cut edge. I want a frayed edge. So I'm going to go around and I'm going to fray all the edges of my design before I decoupage it onto this piece. Where am I going to, how, trying to decide. Like, I want that rose right there. Hang on. So I want this rose, I think, right there. And then how I want the design to wrap around the edge. Kind of have to think about that as you're working on it. So I'm going to slice in, and I just make tiny little cuts so you can see, like, they don't go too far in, and that makes it easier to tear those fibers. Boom. Right? That's it. That's what I'm going to do all the way around this piece in the pattern I want. So like I want this little green offshoot, my little rose shoot. So we're going to cut around that. So I'm going to cut in and then pull. Cut. Tear. Yes, I make a mess doing this. If you're mess avert, you know, if you don't like messes. I can't talk. Oh my gosh. I don't know what I'm saying. If you avoid making messes as principle, like you're not doing this in a workshop, you're doing this in your house, fine, be neater. You do you. So, see, not straight, not a clean cut. I'm going to do that. I'll be back. All right, so I went a little rogue and decided to cut the roses because I didn't like the way it was laying across the top. But I'm going to take these two and line them up on this black line that they have on them. And they're going to go over the top like that. And then I like that better. And since this is mine, we're going to do it my way. And if you want yours some other way, you do you. We are not here to judge, but we've got Mod Podge. I gotta get rid of that inner lining. But every time I do, then the thing starts sticking, right? Ugh. That smell of Mod Podge. Ugh. It smells like musty. Musty. Oh, I forgot to do the sides. No, I don't drink. Thanks for asking. Then you gotta get the top down. Get top down. Get the top down. Oh, come on, baby. I forgot, it doesn't want to go into these crevices. Like, you'd think it should. Like, it should just want to lay down there. Let's lay down. Right? Why is that popping up? You don't pop up, you go in. This is being difficult. Screw it. Be difficult. See how you like this. Ha! Never give me a razor blade. Being difficult. Okay, well, lay this over there. Okay, I went too far. Oh, I went too far. I think these pieces might be too big. I think I may have failed. Okay, pull it off, pull it off, pull it off. Let's clean this, clean this, clean this, clean this, because I'm not happy. And it's mine, so we need to fix it. Let's clearly do this. It's not working. Of all the things. Freaking Mod Podge. Really? Oh, man. All the fails, right? It's the tape dispenser. I don't even care anymore. No, I'm just mad. Why are you not staying done? I am really frustrated with this paper right now. Like ordinarily I put it on, it stays down like it's a dream. It's either the glue or the paper, and I'm blaming the paper at this point. I was bragging on this paper. Bragging. All right. It's a fail. I don't even care. I'm too tired to care. I'm sorry. It's a fail for me. It's going to dry, but it's going to dry ugly. No, I'm just mad. I need a win. We need to do a project where I can win. That's next. Let's hope. Let's hope that I have a project where I can win next, because this is really frustrating. I know. Can't win them all. I'm just going to peel this paper off. Just peel it off. Maybe I can still save it. I'm just going to peel this off. Okay, where's that brush? Oh, that was a big mistake. Okay. Just made a huge mistake and a huge mess. There we go. Wiping the glue off. So my Podge glue is water soluble if you get it before it dries. But I put my brush in paint water, so now it's kind of greenish. I'm just wiping the glue off. All right, I'm not doing it today because I'm angry, but we're going to take another run at this. Y'all, it's not my day. So I think it's time to just set it aside, move on to something else, and come back to it when I'm feeling a little more inspired, okay? Because if I take a run at it now, I may throw it through that window over there. We don't want that. It's getting late and I'm very tired. I don't want to go to sleep. So I'm not doing it tonight. It's going to be tomorrow or another day. You know what? Let's wait till I'm inspired to do it. Let's wait till I go, oh, that works out. I'm going to try it a couple different ways or whatever, but no, it's a no for me. That was like, no. I'll figure it out. I'll figure out something. Thanks for watching. Happy junkin'. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.